huge light upgrade on the Navara. We've got spotlights, reverse lights and a 40-inch LED roof bar. How much did I spend for all of these? Stick around until the end of the video to find out. So in today's video we're going to mount two lights like this on the back of the car. So when I reverse in the dark I can see what I'm doing. The reason why I'm doing that is because the window tints are too dark. So instead of getting window tints a bit lighter, I'm gonna add more lights to it. Problem solved. So we got two lights from Stedi, two wiring loom, a switch, rear lights and two brackets to put on the sports bar and some corrugated tubing. The two brackets are going there and that mount the rear lights. The wiring is gonna go somewhere around along here inside the tub. Now if you have a Nissan Navara, you know that you struggle with the switch spaces because there is none. The only one that you have is this one, but I already used it for my UHF radio, so I've made this so it gives me another extra 4 bases to mount extra switches. So let's start from taking the rear of the seat out and the plastic around the tab to get access to the grommet to pass the wire through. So as you can see, I removed the back plastic of the tub and this is the grommet. Now I'm going ahead and remove the back seats. So we're going ahead and remove this grommet, and not far from it should be the other one. So once you remove the plastic on the side step here, as you can see there is another corrugated tubing here, so I'm going to run my two new ones just on the same spot. I'm happy with that. Number one, number two mounted. So this is the part I hate the most because I'll have to go through that little hole through the grommet and the carpet, pass some wiring through. So I finally passed all the wiring through the grommet. I'm gonna make a L bracket here to secure those relays here on the corner. And as you can see, everything is tackled in inside the grommet. Time to run some wires along the seal up in there. I went to JCar and bought 15 meters 15 amps wire because the one coming from the battery is a little bit too short, so I'll have to join it. I haven't been filming the boring stuff, so basically I connected this there and I'm gonna do the other join through the other grommet and I'll join them together inside here instead of doing it outside and having more wire exposed. At least like this you cannot see them. This is the most boring part, passing all the cable through the conduit. Considering I had to pull all the seat out and doing all of this work just to run two wires, I decided to run an extra wire and go through the roof and put also a LED bar on the front of the roof rack. It's gonna look good. Now I'm removing this panel to pass all the wire through. So I finally got the cables through here in the middle of the center console and here. Now I'm gonna clean some wires, tackle them all back up and secure them with cable tie and start building the carpet back on. Clean up all the wires, all secure up there. So I hooked up the negative and the positive. Alright, change of a plan. I sold my LED bar, I ran a wire on the top of the roof and I've got a set of these. We got a 40-inch LED bar for the roof. We got 9-inch driving light, 2 spotlights for the front. Let's go unboxing it. So let's open this first. So the unboxing therapy, it's gonna have to be one of the most satisfying process that you do when you purchase new items. Bonus if they come with a sticker. User manual, we've got the harness, got the colored rings, 3 different colors, for gray, yellow and black. If you want to change the color of the outer ring of the lights, got the LIGHTFOX clear covers, they're cool. And this is the main item 9-inch LED light. This triangle on the edges, they all drive lights if you want to wire them up, and the rest is got, I believe, 32 LED Osram lights. Let's go ahead and open the LED bar. This is one type of mount, and this is the edge mount. Depends how you want to mount it. Here we got nuts and bolts. There is the other main item. So let's start off mounting the drive lights. Moving on to the roof bar, I start with bolting down the two edge mounts. After that, the light bar itself. And this is the end result. Okay, now let's go through some prices. The LIGHTFOX product, I bought it as a complete light pack that includes the 40-inch LED slim bar on the roof and the two 9 inches round drive lights spotlights. That costed me $580. The two LED work light from Stedi were $69. The three switches, they were $20 each, and a total of 3 wiring loom harness kit, but I only have to pay for 2 because one was included in the lights. They were $25 each, bringing the grand total to $760. In my opinion, is the cheapest you can spend without compromising quality. So this is the full upgrade of the lights in my car. We've done the spotlights, the windshield LED bar, and the rear lights from Stedi. If you want to see more DIY videos, check my DIY project playlist. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment what do you think about these prices. Did I spend too much?